Occupations. I am a doctor. I help people when they are sick. I am a pilot. I fly aeroplanes in the sky. I am an engineer. I fix and build things. I am a farmer. I grow food and take care of animals. I am a teacher. I help children learn to read and write. I am a chef. I cook delicious food for people. I am a surgeon. I fix people's bodies with special care. I am a nurse. I help people feel better. I am a judge. I help people follow the rules. I am a firefighter. I put out fires and help people. I am a police officer. I help to keep everyone safe. Sailor. I work on big boats in the ocean. Thank you.